What's up, Bender fam? Dylan here. We just got back from Tough Stuff with our high lift jack and our hood mounts. We kind of worked back and forth on where we wanted to mount this thing. We thought about on the bed rails, the rack, hood. Ultimately, we went with the hood so we could save some space on the back. So let's get to it. Now, breaking these hood bolts for the first time is near impossible without any help. So what you need to do, grab your 47 Torx bit, grab a torch, and you want to heat just the bolt. When you see the bolt starts to just turn a little bit brown, you don't want to burn your hinge, but you know, you got to do what you got to do. When you see the bolt turn just a little bit brown, you know you're hot enough. Okay. And that's what makes it possible to pull it out. There we go. Now let's get the other three. All right, let's grab our hinge. With our 4 bolts out, we can grab the hood mount out of the box. There's our 2 main brackets. Our 2 that go on top of the jack for your wing nuts. And all our hardware. This kit comes with new hardware, including longer hinge bolts for your hood mount. Let's get your washer and lock washer on there. And a 5mm Allen wrench. Now, judging by how tight these things were when we pulled off the original ones, I'm gonna really cinch these things down. Make sure this is going nowhere. There we go. Let's get the other side on, then we can mount the jack. With the jack up on the mounts, you can get your little flat bar here. Send your bolt up through. It'll find its little happy spot, self-locking down there. Washers and wing nut. Just like that, good to go. For those of you who are wondering, that's how you mount a high lift jack to the hood of your Jeep. And keep in mind, these are JK hood mounts that worked perfectly on the JT, means they'll work great on the JL as well. As always, if you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. If you like our content, be sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell if you want to see more of our videos as they come out. Thank you so much for watching. This is Dylan from Trailbenders Overland, out.
If you haven't yet, head over to our online store to check out the awesome gear we use and all the new merch. Link in the description below.